Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to unsave save charts on Snapchat. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To unsave save charts on Snapchat for Android, follow these steps. Step 1. Launch the Snapchat app on your Android device and log into your account in prompted. Step 2. Swipe right from the camera screen to access the chart section, and here you'll find your saved charts. Step 3. Scroll through your charts to find the conversation you want to unsave. Step 4. Tap and hold the chart you want to unsave. Snapchat will display options. Choose and save, or the icon that resembles a bookmark. This icon indicates save charts. Step 5. Snapchat will ask for confirmation. Confirm that you want to unsave the chart. The chart will be removed from your saved items. By following these steps, you can easily unsave charts on Snapchat for your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.